Okay, guys, in today's tutorial, we are going to continue with the simplification of algebraic expressions. So we are taking how to simplify algebraic fractions. And to do this one, the first step that we have to follow is we complete any calculations. So the calculations can be addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. Then the next thing that we will do is we factorize the denominator and then the numerator. Then we cancel the common factor and simplify further, if any. So let's use this example to explain how to simplify algebraic expression. So with the first one, we say we complete any calculations. So with multiplication of algebraic expressions, it's just like doing simplifying of fractions. So numerators will multiply numerators, denominators will multiply denominators. So numerator will multiply numerator, then denominator will multiply denominator. So with this case, it's going to be 5 times x plus 2. Then we have 10 times x plus 2. So numerator multiplying numerator, denominator multiplying denominator. So we have this one. Then we factorize the numerator and denominator. This one is already done. So we cancel the common factors. So x plus 2, they are common. You cancel. So this one would then give us 5 over 10. So with this, we can also simplify further by factorizing the numerator and denominator. So with this case, 5 to bracket 1 over 5 into bracket 2. Then common factors out. We now have 1 over 2. So with this one, this is how you simplify algebraic fractions. The first step is you complete any calculations, being addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. We then factorize the numerator and denominator. We cancel the common factor and simplify further, if any.